What's up everyone, welcome back to Experience channel, and today we have a very special RC over here. This is the Nikko RC, which is already more than 30 years old. It's manufactured in 1990s and it's made in Malaysia, so proud to be a Malaysian here. So this RC is actually a 118 RC which takes in like 6 AA battery and 1 9-watt battery for the controller, which I will show you later. And the controller is actually using only the 40 MHz frequency instead of the commonly used 2.4 GHz. So let me show you what's inside this box. This RC has actually been kept in the storeroom for like almost 20 years since I started school. Oh, it looks like crap now. I think I broke it like during my childhood playing. So behind this box, there are actually some instructions over here. You can see that it's teaching you how to put in the antenna, the batteries, and also how to adjust the gear. There's high gear and low gear for this car. And more importantly, don't crash into real cars. So this is the car itself. Yeah, it's pretty broken from here. You can see that there's a really big PCB inside there as the ESC. And the motor here, the switch for the gear, suspension, and if not mistaken, this car is not proportional for the steering, but proportional for the throttle. This is controller. Actually, there's an antenna line over here, but I think I dropped it somewhere in the storeroom. So yeah, we are left with only this here. Now, let's see if it still works. I've pre-installed the battery here. You can see here there's 6 AA battery. Actually, it looks pretty nice if it's in its mint condition. Like you can see here, it's a off-road special, and it's a super buggy. Yeah, but all this childhood playtime has made it into this. Turn the car on. So now let's test on the throttle. Let me switch the gear now. Okay, that's the throttle. Next, the steering. Oh no, the steering is not working anymore. I think it's broken now, so yeah, you can't do much on it. But I will try to fix this appearance as much as I could and glue these specs here before I take it for a run. Well, I think that's all I can do for now. You can see that it's not really looking the same here. I'm missing the front part and the spoiler part as well. The parts have went missing, but yeah, it's still a car, right? So I think it's time for us to take it for a run. Okay everyone, so as you can see, this car still runs pretty well despite it doesn't have the steering and it's around 30 years old. What I'm going to do to this car next is that I'll be fitting in this new ESC, servo, and the new controller for this car to help it level up its game against the WLtoys 124019 that just mocks at it. So do comment below if you have any thoughts on this car or any other vintage RC that you are actually holding. And like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more that's coming. Thanks for watching. Bye.